Here we are, here's Rob English about to put on a folding stem on a Petite bicycle.
So first off, you want to take the special little cap. It's basically just going to cover up the outside of the steer tube. That's going to slide on with the bolt on the front of the bicycle. Then the folding stem itself, to install it, to undo the quick release, and press the little trigger button here to unfold the stem, which will reveal the 6mm Allen key bolt on the inside. Best to apply a little bit of grease to the bottom end of the stem before you then insert it into the frame. Now, the angle needs to be set before this bolt is tightened. What we're looking for is when the stem is unfolded, the slot on the quick release should be in line with the tyre. So I'm just going to eyeball that to centre and hinge this back and tighten the bolts. Tighten quite firmly. And double check that I'm lined up. To adjust the tension on the quick release, you can turn the little nut on the backs to get so there's resistance when you close the lever. A little bit more, like so. And align the small covering collar so the bolt is forward, and again use a 6mm wrench to tighten that one securely. To set your height, you need a 5mm Allen key in the collar here. You can adjust the riser to the required height of your handlebars. Then to install your handlebars into the stem, slide in the two halves of the handlebar to back the bolts off a little bit. Align the handlebars to preferred angle and tighten down the stem bolts.
Good morning, Kurt with White Friday. Who's this? I'm doing well, Chris. Hey, listen,
Thank you.